Now let's discuss the Roman numerals in a minor key. And there are a couple triads in a minor key that will work slightly different. So here we are, we have an E minor scale, and let's build triads on each of those notes. Now let's analyze all of those triads and find out what type of triads appear on each scale degree in a minor key. If we're in E minor, we can go ahead and believe that the tonic triad is going to be minor. E, G, and B. E major would have a G sharp. So scale degree 1 is, of course, lowercase. Scale degree 2, F sharp, A, and C. Well, F sharp major would have an A sharp and a C sharp. Notice the third and the fifth have been lowered. This is diminished. Scale degree 2 is diminished. Scale degree 3, G, B, and D. Hopefully we've seen that enough times to know that G, B, and D make a major triad. So in a minor key, scale degree 3 will be uppercase. Next, A, C, and E. Well, we know in A major we have a C sharp. The third's been lowered, but not the fifth. This is minor, scale degree 4. So notice already the variety of triads we have in a minor key. So I will go ahead and admit freely that the triads in a minor key and analyzing minor keys overall is slightly more difficult. That should be amplified by scale degree 5. And notice, I'm not even looking at the triad. I am immediately just putting an uppercase 5. Because 5 should always be uppercase. And you'll see that by the addition of the leading tone. There it is, D sharp. Remember when we were trying to analyze keys, whether it was in major or in minor, scale degree 7 was an indicator if it was in minor, if we have that leading tone. There's that leading tone. So again, yes, scale degree 5 will always be major. Scale degree 6, C, E, and G, we've seen that plenty of times. We know that that is major. And scale degree 7, again, we have the leading tone. There it is. So D sharp, F sharp, I should say, from a key, since we are in E minor, D sharp, F sharp, and A make a diminished triad. And there we are. The triads of a minor scale. And notice the variety, and actually even two diminished triads.